Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the URig handheld, and it's such an amazing thing, I think. So what I have here today, it's this kind of stuff which you have seen. It's called the URig. Now, what's so special about the URig? Well, the URig gives you a smoothly handle whereby you can just do a bunch of video cinematic. And I think to my own kind of aspect, shooting cinematic videos by URig is much better than using your only handheld. But I think some people prefer using handheld and shooting some more great and amazing cinematic footage. I won't just complain about using handheld than using the URig. You know, like you have two different things, right? Whereby you are the content creator, by you select what type of a tool you can use on your arsenal. So I think for the URig is much better because you can get a smooth shot whereby you'll be like, whoa, this is so amazing. Matter of fact, if your camera or the tool which you're gonna use on the URig supports smooth or motion or even that kind of thing whereby they're calling it stabilization, whereby you can have your filmatic or your video in a smoothly way going this way, you really find it so fun. So I had to play around with it. I captured a little bit of a different perspective of a video whereby I tried tilting on the flower, on the garden and the stuff like that, which I find it so cinematic. And I thought that why should I not just share with you guys this kind of amazing footage or amazing tool here whereby you can suggest on your own self if you'd like one. So I find it to my own kind of self, the URig, that's so important for content creation. Now for the people who they're finding it's worth it, they might give it go, but for the people who they're not finding it worth it still, I suggest you to grab this bad boy. It's not that much expensive. It depends with you where you are getting it. Like me, I got it on AliExpress, and the cost on the URig which I purchased it's almost $25. Now $25 for this type of URig, I know what you're thinking, it might be not that much legitimate to you, but for me it's actually 100% legitimate because it's so amazing. First thing first, you got a thing here which you got a thing here whereby you can screw it up on your camera. Like if you got anything which supports this kind of port, you can just keep it on your camera on the go, which is something which is so impressive. You can keep it at any position you'd like you can just go this way, 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 anywhere you would like it to go. Another kind of stuff, you can just keep something here, clip it around on the URig, but at the moment I'm purchasing it, they didn't give me the header of the clipping whereby I can slide it here, so I think I must purchase it separately. That's the downside out of it. Another kind of stuff, you get a string here whereby I saw it's so very important. Look, you get a URig here, right? You get a string here, you wear it on the neck. Now the URig stays on your chest. Now whenever you're filming, you're feeling comfortable, you're feeling so amazing. That's like an hack for me. I know it doesn't work in other way, but I found it's just like a hack for me. So I think whenever you're shooting a video smoothly, you get an amazing 100% good cinematic video. And I think to my own kind of self, even the rubber below, you see, like you can shoot a video of somebody running. You have seen my video, why not scared? Well, I kept the URig down whereby I'm running, I'm trying to get out of the room and going to outside whereby I wanted my film to end there. So I kept this down on the flow. After keeping it down on the flow, it just stays stabilization, so nothing moves it there since it's a ground flow. Now after that, you get an amazing dope shot out there. So I think URig plays big role for all the content creators out there. You can invest your money on this, you won't get any problem out of it, you just enjoy getting a URig. So I think to this kind of video, you thought that how much URig plays big role in your video. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video today, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim13. Consider subscribing to Homeboy here. I really appreciate that. And last but not least, you want to join me on 1 minute challenge of your filmmaking? Well, let me know in the comments down below if it's your thing, but if it's not, you can just forget it and make something out differently if you'd like. But if you want to compete, and it would be so great. So click this card here up if you didn't check out my why scared. It's just a short film. I got it in my head like, well. So I thought that let me just make it happen. Why should I not make it happen? You know, an idea can come up in 60 seconds. If you want to make it happen, an idea, you must make it happen. If you don't make an idea, make it happen. Just forget about that idea and think about something else which you can make it happen. So another kind of stuff, I think, to my own kind of aspect. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.